In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a tracking number to customers on Shopify. Let's get started right from your Shopify admin dashboard. First, log into your Shopify admin using your usual credentials. Once you're in, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll see several options for managing your store. Find the option labeled Orders and click on it. This will open up a list of all the orders placed in your store. On the orders page, you'll see a table with your recent orders, along with details like order numbers, dates, customer names, and payment and fulfillment status. From this list, choose the specific order that you're ready to ship and want to attach a tracking number to. Click on that order to open the order details page. Inside the order information page, you'll see different sections that summarize everything about this purchase. Near the top, look for the card related to shipping. This section usually shows the shipping address, the item or items being shipped, their quantities, and the shipping method. This is the area where you'll manage fulfillment. On the bottom right corner of that shipping section, you'll see a button that says Mark as Fulfilled. Go ahead and click that. This tells Shopify you're ready to confirm that this order is being shipped, and it will open up a few more options for you to fill out. After clicking Mark as Fulfilled, two important fields will appear. One for the tracking number and one for the shipping carrier. In the tracking number field, type or paste the tracking number you received from your shipping provider. Double check that there are no extra spaces or missing digits, because customers often rely on this number to follow their package. Next, click on the drop-down under Shipping Carrier. From the list, select the carrier you're using, such as a national postal service or a courier company. Choosing the correct carrier helps Shopify generate the right tracking link for your customer. Before you finish, look for a checkbox that says Send a notification to the customer. Make sure this box is checked. This is crucial because it triggers an email and sometimes an SMS depending on your settings that sends the tracking details directly to your customer so they can monitor their shipment. Once everything looks correct, scroll to the bottom right of that same card and click Mark as Fulfilled again. This final confirmation will save the tracking information, update the order's fulfillment status, and send out the notification to your customer. And that's all you need to do to send a tracking number to your customers on Shopify.